Ayan guys, so nagluto ako ng white fish with tomato at saka potato and then onion. Tapos binig ko siya guys ng 1 hour. Ayan. Lang siya guys. Very easy guys. This time pala guys, linagyan ko siya ng yung lemon para hindi malasa yung isda. Yan. Okay guys. Thanks for watching and God bless us all.